Hi doctor, my aunt has been advised radiation therapy for lung cancer treatment. What is it, how is it done, and what to expect during this treatment?
Killing of the tumor cells using extremely strong radioactive rays is known as radiation therapy. It is an absolutely safe, well tolerated and painless procedure requiring no anesthesia, no admission, and it is done very easily. Radiation therapy plays an important role in the treatment of lung cancer right from stage 1 to stage 4. For very early stage lung cancer, we can offer radiation therapy as a curative modality to those patients who are medically unfit for surgery because of old age or because of adjoining health conditions like uncontrolled hypertension, diabetes, cardiac condition, etc. Usually we treat such cases using a technique called as stereotactic body radiation therapy, wherein we deliver large doses of radiation in one or a few number of sittings so that we ablate the tumor completely. I'll be talking more about stereotactic body radiotherapy in my upcoming videos. For locally advanced lung cancers that has not spread to the other organs, radiation therapy along with chemotherapy can completely cure the patient of the disease. This kind of therapy is done over a period of 1 to 1.5 months and is usually preceded or followed by chemotherapy. Radiation therapy is generally very well tolerated with only a few side effects. Side effects usually manifest after 2 weeks of the starting of radiation therapy. It could be in the form of cough or increasing chest pain or breathlessness. Sometimes some patients experience something like a nausea or vomiting or extreme tiredness or lack of appetite. So the side effects will be assessed by your doctor at least once in a week and will be addressed along with relevant investigations and medications. Usually these side effects are temporary and resolves over a period of 4 to 6 weeks after the radiation therapy. Regarding side effects, I would like to say that there is a lot of individual propensities that dictates the side effects. So I have seen cases wherein there are no side effects at all and they just finish radiation therapy very easily, and there are few others who has large number of side effects. So it is absolutely, it depends upon the individual whether they would be having the side effects or not. Please discuss with your doctor regarding the expected side effects and the benefits of the treatment and how the benefit of the treatment can outweigh the side effects before starting the radiation treatment. Let me also give a quick synopsis into the radiation therapy procedure or a brief on the workflow of the radiation therapy. Radiation therapies are usually preceded by planning techniques which we call as simulation. In this, we will be making an immobilization device so that you don't move during the radiation therapies, and we make sure that with these immobilization devices, the patient is lying down in the treatment position exactly in the same way throughout the course of the treatment. So an immobilization device is made on and over. Sometimes we will be using a breath holding or a breath controlling device also, which we call as active breath coordinator or ABC, about which I'll be talking more in my upcoming videos. These breath controlling devices are used to make sure that the tumor that moves during the treatment along with the respiratory cycles are kind of controlled or held in a particular way, and treatment can be delivered with more accuracy. With the immobilization device, we will be taking a scan. On the scan, the doctor will be marking the treatment areas or the tumors will be delineated along with the required margins. So on this treatment simulation scan, the doctor will be marking the organs that is to be treated and the organs that needs to be saved in terms of the radiation dose. Radiation treatment planning is a team effort and it is not the doctor alone who is taking care of the whole planning procedure. There is a physicist who will be sitting with the doctor and planning out the whole procedure. The doctor and the physicist will together carve out a plan that can deliver maximum dose to the treatment area while giving minimal dose to the nearby structures. Once the plan is ready, we will schedule it on our machine. Our radiation technologist will help you get positioned on the machine in exactly the same way in which you were lying down during the simulation procedure. All the procedures that was followed during the scan, that is the simulation scan, will be followed during the treatment, including the breath control. Once you are positioned Our whole team will come out of the treatment room. You will be alone during the treatment, but we will be constantly watching you through multiple cameras that is attached in the treatment room. Before treatment, we will be taking a position verification scan, which will make sure that your position is exactly the same as it was during the planning CT scan. In case there is a difference in the position, then we will be correcting it then and there, and then the treatment will commence. The treatment time can vary from 5 to 30 minutes depending upon the plan, the technique used, and the usage of the breath control techniques, etc. There will be no pain or discomfort during the treatment. Once the treatment is over, you can go back home and lead a normal life. You can interact with your family members, and you can even interact or play with the children of the house because it is extremely safe. You are not emitting any type of radiation. First 2 weeks of the treatment is usually uneventful. It is after 2 weeks that some of the side effects that I had enumerated earlier that starts showing up. Your doctor will make sure that all your treatment side effects are addressed and your treatment goes smoothly. Once the complete treatment is done with, a discharge summary will be served from the department, which will carry important details of your disease and the treatment for future references.